Hi guys, welcome to the Java class. In today's session, you will learn how to create classes in Eclipse. To create classes in Eclipse, first you will create the project inside it. To create a project, you will go to File, go to New and click on Java Project. Here you can provide any project name. So I am using the project name is lecture 01 creating classes. So this is the name of the project. Go to the next. And here you will just uncheck this create module info.java file. It will not insist you to create the package inside it. Click on the finish. Here you can see in the project explorer, your project name is created. Now let us learn how to create a class inside it. So to create a class inside it, right click on it, go to new and select class. So here I am using a class named car, which is by default public. And if you would like to add a main method inside it, just click on this checkbox and select finish. Here you can see a class named car is created that contains a method main. Now you must understand what is a class. What is a class? A class is a blueprint from which the individual objects are created. Class can contain variables and the methods. Variables are known as the data which is present inside a car, and methods are the functions which are directly operated on that data in order to perform some task. So let us learn how to define the field and the data inside it. So for example, I am just adding some field like color. So this is the color variable. Now I am adding one more variable, that is a model, that will show the model of a car. So these are known as the variables or the data inside a car. Now how to add a method. So let us learn how to add a method inside a class. So I am adding a method. So this is void is the return type, and I am using a method that is display info, that will display the information of a car. So how will you display the information of a car? Just I am writing a statement system.out.println, and that will display the information of a car. So what is the information? So the car class contains the two variables, that is color of a car and the model of a car. So you can display these informations like car model, and car model is present inside a variable model. Now you can display the color of a car, that is present inside a variable, that is color. So here you can see we have added a method and we have added two fields. Together these are known as the members of a class. Now how will you access these members of a class inside a main method? Let us learn it. So to access the field inside a main method, you have to create an object of a class car. You can't access directly the variable color and the model inside a main method. Let me just show you. If you will write here color, and if you will provide some color to it, you can see it will, the compiler is complaining here. And what is the complaint? Cannot make a static reference to the non-static field color. So here this is the variable that is known as the instance variable. Instance variable is the part of an object. You can't access directly inside the main method without creating an object of a class. In the similar way, if you will just try to access this method, display information inside a main method, you can't access it. It will show cannot make a static reference to the non-static method display info from the type car. So you can't access, these are the instance variable and this is the instance method. Instance variable and instance method you can't access directly inside the main method without creating an object of a class, right? But you can, yes, you can access directly without an object, but you have to make static members. So that will, I will show you in the next upcoming videos. So right now just I will show you how to access it with the help of an object. So let us create an object of a class car. So let me create an object. How to create an object? Just first you will write the name of the class, then you will write your object name. So I am writing my car1 is equal new car. So this is the object of a class car. Now using this object, my car1, you can access the variable. So how will you access it? You will use the dot operator. My car1 dot color is equal red. Now you can see the compiler is not complaining for anything. Now here in the similar way you can access my car dot display information, and you can just run it and you can just display the information. So here it is showing the car model is null and color is red because we have not provided any model for this car1. So you can write just my car dot model and you can provide some model like Tesla Model S. So here you have provided some information to the model for a particular object my car1, and here you can see you will run it and you will display the complete information of this particular object. So here you can see today you learn how to create a class, how to add fields inside it, how to add method inside it, how to create an object of a class, and how to access the members of a class with the help of an object. So this is an object which is known as the physical entity, means this my car1, this object is really present, that contains the value, that is color is red and the model is Tesla Model S. So this simple car is the simple prototype, and whenever you will create an object of it, that will come into the action, and that is a physical entity. So this is the way you can create a class and objects and how to access the member of a class. In the similar way, you can create multiple objects of a class car, and you can provide the different information, different color to the car and different model number to the car. So that is your exercise. Create multiple objects and provide different information to that particular objects. So thank you very much. This is for the day. In the next session, you will learn something new and how to create or how to add multiple methods that can return the values. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great